So today I'm getting carpet laid in it that will help with sound deadening, as well as make it much nicer and more attractive and easier on the feet in the wintertime maybe. And so I've got a carpet team coming over. It's only 8 by 8. Yes, I could have laid the carpet, but man, Home Depot has such a cheap price for getting carpet laid that it was a no-brainer for me to invite them over to do it instead of me. All right, they're putting the gripper metal down right at the threshold. Another young man is putting in tack strip along the edges. We're going to show you how it's done professionally. Do you ever have to use longer nails if the concrete's not good, or?
We use drill.
Drill?
Yes, sir. We use drill, and we use a different nail, a little bit more thicker on 3/4 nail.
Right.
That's what we use when like the concrete or really hard.
Yeah.
Or really soft.
I was afraid this was going to be hard.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Okay, good.
With the pins of the carpet always pointing to the wall.
Right, right. Most of you probably know what tack strip is, but basically they're nailing that down, and when they stretch the carpet, it pulls against those nails. The nails will be pointing toward the wall, and the carpet will be stretched up to the nails. Most of y'all probably know that, but in case you don't, the big nails go in the floor, in the concrete or in the wood floor if you got a wood floor, and the little skinny nails sticking up, the carpet grips them, or they grip the carpet. There's the carpet. This is Home Depot carpet and Home Depot layers laying the carpet. That's the padding. And he's got a rig that I'm very envious of. Beautiful.
Okay. Sí.
You always use the power stretcher, or there are times when you use just a knee stretcher? Knee kicker.
If it's a closet like 5 by 5, we use the stretcher.
Yeah, just
If it's a closet like 3 by 3,
right.
we can do it with the knee kicker. Los negros, los blanquitos aquí.
How far do y'all go? You cover Texas,
Yes, sir.
Louisiana,
Louisiana,
Oklahoma.
Texas, Oklahoma,
Really?
Arkansas.
Boy, y'all do some traveling. So here we are in the room. Did a great job on the carpet. The room has a lot of flaws. That's my fault, not theirs. The black strip you see down at the bottom is not a gap in where they laid the carpet. That is some black paint. When I painted the floor black, I got some black on that white board, and the carpet it did not come up above that. So the black is not a gap that they left as carpet layers. It is black paint that I did many years ago when I painted this and sponged it and whatever I did to the sides of this thing. But the carpet looks good. That's what I wanted to show you mainly. Home Depot, cheap carpet and cheap laying it. You might want to check them out. I couldn't believe they'd lay it as cheap as they laid it. I'll give you some graphics, put them on the screen to show you exactly what the carpet costs, with padding, with tack, strip, with labor and all that. And it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So that's it. Carpet got laid. We're in the studio, deadening the studio for music and video production. We're gone.